The day you stop trying to prove yourself to anyone is the day you actually start winning. Not winning in front of others, winning inside yourself, where it actually counts. We spend our entire lives trying to impress other people. People who, most of the time, aren't even paying attention. But the harder you chase approval, the further success runs away from you. It's a race you can never actually win. This video could change your life if you watch it till the end. Because today, we're talking about the quiet secret that every truly successful person seems to know deep down: detachment. Imagine standing in a meeting where you feel like everyone is silently judging every word you say. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and your mind asks one question, again and again: what will people think of me? That single question, it's your biggest weakness. And most of us carry it every single day, quietly, without even realizing how much control it has over us. And until you break free from it, you'll never reach your true potential. When your happiness depends on someone else's opinion, you're not really living your own life. You're their puppet, moving only when they pull the string. One missing like on social media, and your whole mood shifts. One tough question in an interview, and your confidence shatters in seconds. Because we wear a different mask everywhere, just so no one rejects us. But real power begins the moment that mask breaks, and you finally show up as yourself. The most successful people in the world, across every field, all share one thing in common. They don't work to impress others. They do their work, whether the world laughs or applauds, because their focus stays on the result, not on approval. That one single shift in mindset quietly changes absolutely everything. When you no longer need anyone's approval, no one can control you. This is the real, deeper meaning of the word detachment. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about people or about life. It simply means you stop reacting to every single thing. You observe, you understand, but you never hand over your control to someone else. This is the exact philosophy successful people have quietly followed for thousands of years, long before it had a name. When no one's watching, they still put in the exact same effort. That's the real difference between people who truly succeed and those who don't. Their focus stays on their own work, never on the crowd watching below. Criticism comes and goes, but their flow never stops moving forward. Because they know, deep down, that every single person has their own opinion, and you can never truly please everyone around you. So let's actually slow down and understand. Why does our brain crave approval so badly in the first place? Thousands of years ago, being cast out of the tribe meant almost certain death. So our brains became biologically wired over countless generations to constantly seek the group's approval and avoid rejection at all costs. But today, no one will banish you into a jungle, and a missing like won't kill you. This old instinct is now working completely against you. You need to take back full control of it. Detachment isn't magic, and it doesn't happen overnight. It's a daily practice you build slowly, one choice at a time. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to build it. Step 1. Get crystal clear on your why. When you truly know why you're doing something, other people's opinions matter far less. Your purpose becomes your lighthouse, quietly guiding you home, even through the darkest, foggiest nights. No matter how fierce the storm of criticism gets, you won't drift off course. Step 2. Sit down and honestly audit your social circle, without making excuses for anyone. Distance yourself from the people who only ever look for your flaws, because your circle quietly shapes your entire peace of mind, more than almost anything else in your life. Step 3. Become your own source of validation. Celebrate your small wins every single day, no matter how tiny they seem. Don't wait for someone else's applause. Become your own light instead. Step 4. Stop taking every piece of criticism so personally. Just like rain slides straight off a duck's feathers, let criticism slide off you too. Never let it become part of who you are. Not everyone will like you, and honestly, that's completely okay. Every person has their own path, their own way of thinking about life. Your only real job is to stand firm in your own place, not to bend and please everyone around you. Once you truly learn this lesson, a rare kind of peace slowly, quietly settles into your everyday life. The heavy weight of needing everyone's approval simply lifts off your shoulders. And that's exactly when your real energy is finally set free. The same energy that used to be wasted pleasing people now flows straight into your work, your ideas, and your personal growth. And that's exactly the moment real success starts arriving naturally, on its own. Because the moment you stop chasing approval, your work finally starts speaking for itself, louder than any argument ever could. And once your work truly speaks for itself, people naturally start coming to you without you ever asking. That's the real formula for attraction. Never chasing, always attracting. Detached people also learn one more powerful skill. Because their time is reserved only for what truly deeply matters to them. They run their own race at their own pace. Never a race against someone else's timeline or someone else's life. Their biggest competitor is simply who they were yesterday. And that single mindset quietly makes them better every single time. When you truly have nothing left to prove to anyone, you're finally, completely, and permanently free. And freedom is exactly where real, lasting success is quietly born. So remember this, and remember it well. You don't have to prove a single thing to anyone on this earth. Not to your family, not to your friends, not even to this entire world. Just give your absolute best, for yourself and for your own dreams alone, no matter who's watching or not. Because real strength is never found in noise. It's found quietly, in silence. The most detached people you'll ever meet are always the most powerful. Decide today, starting right now in this very moment, that you'll become your own source of approval. No one else's, not anymore. If this video actually meant something to you, hit that like button right now. And if you genuinely want more powerful mindset content just like this one, subscribe to this channel right now. And please don't forget to tap that bell icon too, so you never miss the next video. See you in the very next video. And until then, live for yourself and only for yourself, not for anyone else watching, judging, or waiting for you to fail.